Trail Disc Harrow, BDD 2400P. Name Trail Disc Harrow, BDD 2400P. Type Disc Harrow. Equipment type Trail. Aggregate type, kilobyte per second. Trail, D. Operating width, M. 2.4. Working speed, km per hour. 12. Capacity, hop per hour. 2.88. Tilling depth, M. 150 plus or minus 3. Angle of attack of discs, DAG. 0 to 30. Distance between disc rows, M. 950. Diameter of working bodies, M. 660. Distance between disc blades, M. 320. Transport speed, kilometer per hour. 20. Number of cutting components, PCs. Overall dimensions in position, M. 2, x2. 4780 * 2760 * 1700. Coupled with tractors with power, more than H, P, 80, weight, kilogram, 1385. Zone 1 discs, destruction of weeds, shredding of crop residues after harvesting crops, loosening of the surface cell layer to pre-sowing condition. Zone 2 rollers, field leveling and soil compaction with rollers. 660 mm diameter discs. The 660 mm diameter discs are designed for greater tillage depth. The disc harrows are equipped with inclined spherical discs with a diameter of 660 mm on individual stands, which increases throughput and cultivation depth and is advantageous with large amounts of crop residues, e.g. after maize harvest. Serviced hub, design of hub of cutting unit, due to installation of a collar with a cassette seal, increases life of bearing by 60% and reduces time for maintenance by up to 50%. Adjusting the tillage de route, new design for adjusting tillage depth by moving pin between holes. Design made it easier to adjust depth of soil cultivation while increasing durability of the unit. Rack, 240. Each Harrow disc of the PALLADA is mounted on an individual rack. The absence of a single axis precludes winding of crop residues and clogging of the interdisc space. Oiler on each hub. Oiler nipples on each hub ensure durability of unit, and oiler nipples at rack attachment assembly preclude clogging with dust and breakdown of the racks and ensure easy setup of unit. Powder coating. Production line was equipped with a powder coating line ideal line Denmark. Painting technology makes it possible to produce high-quality paintwork with a guaranteed service life up to 8 years.